Hey guys, here's a quick review of the CVLIFE 550 Paracord rifle sling, or shotgun sling, which we're going to use today, with the tri-lock at the swivels. I picked this one up, read a couple of the reviews. The Paracord it's very stiff, it's very thick. Doesn't bend around a lot. I think it'll be great for what we're going to use. I have the tri-lock on my old Winchester 1300 Defender. I recently bought the Phoenix stock on here. It's got the kick light plate in it. I actually have not had a chance to shoot this yet with the kick light system on, but it's supposed to reduce recoil. But we'll try that for another video. This is super simple. It's tri-lock. Let's see if we can do it one-handed. Push, swivel down, push, swivel up, locks in, tighten it down. It's on there good. I don't have a side mount on this, but I do have the front. So we'll just unscrew this, loosen it up. Alright, so it's not easy to do with one hand. Through the magic of editing, there we go. Push in, swivel up, and it's locked in. Now you just tighten this down. Tight, easy to go. Did want to make sure to show that the gun is empty before we started. Nothing in there. I think it looks pretty nice. Simple way to carry it around without drilling or any extra parts. The sling is fully adjustable. It's very well made. CVLIFE seems to be really killing it. That's some excellent nylon. Great stitching. Like I said, this paracord is hard. I mean, it's good. It's flexible, but you can't pinch it. It's very tightly wound. 550 feet. Metal buckles. Metal swivels. And these lock down tight. It's not going anywhere. I'm telling you, CVLIFE is doing pretty well. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Leave a comment down below. I'd be more than happy to answer on anything you see in the video. I'll put a link to the CVLIFE. I got it on Amazon for $14.99. It's well worth it. I mean, it's high quality. Thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe.